Apple Watch apps not installing during setup. Here's how to fix it. Open Apple support in your browser. Search for Apple Watch apps not installing during setup. Apple explains that app installations issues usually happen because of network problems, software mismatches, or incomplete setup. Scroll to the troubleshooting section. Apple recommends that make sure iPhone and Apple Watch are connected to Wi-Fi. Keep devices close together during setup. Confirm that both devices are updated to the latest software. Make sure there is enough storage space on the Apple Watch. If apps still don't install, Apple advises restarting both devices. Scroll down to Advanced Fixes. Apple states that if installation continues to fail, you may need to unpair and repair the Apple Watch, then try installing apps again. Following these steps resolve most Apple Watch app installation